In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we can do to fix this problem is to simply offload our app or reinstall Facebook. So tap on your settings, go to your general settings, go to iPhone storage, and from here you want to find Facebook. So for Android, you might just want to clear your Facebook app's cache. From here, simply tap on Offload App. So I already offloaded mine, so I won't be doing this again. So next, you want to close this and go to your App Store. Now you want to search Facebook and make sure that your Facebook application is updated to the latest version. So if you see an update button right here, you might want to update your Facebook app first. So after updating, you want to open your Facebook app. Now you want to go to your menu, so tap on your profile icon in the lower right of your screen. So for Android, it's in the upper right corner of your screen. Now, as you can see, if you can see dating right here, simply tap on see more. And as you can see, the dating options should be here. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.